Wait, are you sure Chadifer didn't say something about me? Because I
don't think so.
think the last time he told me I was very ugly, he was kind of joking, but I can't tell. Oh my God.
It's my smoke alarm.
Michael, change your smoke alarm batteries. That's so annoying.
Yeah, but the reality is, bro, I don't have a 9-volt battery. No one does.
And you've just been living with it like this?
You just gotta pretend it's not happening.
Just take it off the wall.
Don't you think I've tried? I'm not in control anymore, bro. The house belongs to it now.
I can't deal with this.
Pointless. There's no hope.
I think it's dead.
I told you.
No.
It's more powerful than all of us, bros.